you folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
That sounds like a lot of paperwork, Goofy, but sure.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
All right, looks like you're heading to the cartoon, folks. Be sure to head to your right.
Testing. Is this thing on? Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Hiya, folks. Hello there. How you doing?
Hey, Mick and Min.
We're getting good care of our friends.
Gosh, here with me. What could possibly go wrong? Oh, it's working all the way. my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I can see. Finally made it. We've had one crazy round. On our side. The stars will burn.
levers. What's this lever do? Well, here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long!